Drawing a girl's face can be challenging, but using reference lines and a step-by-step method can simplify the process, whether you're aiming for realism or a cartoon style. To draw a realistic girl's face, begin by sketching a slightly rounded oval divided into 3 horizontal sections to establish the head's proportions. Position the eyes on the top line, focusing on larger round shapes and consistent spacing. Add long, thick eyelashes and pupils with a light reflection to enhance the eyes. Then draw arched eyebrows that can be adjusted for thickness. The nose should be drawn with soft lines, avoiding harsh features, while shading can define its bridge subtly. For the lips, aim for a round, full shape positioned halfway between the nose and chin, extending slightly beyond the nostrils. Ears should be aligned with the eyebrows, and the hairline should start below the oval's top for a softer look. Finally, outline the hair larger than the face to create fullness, ensuring the strands appear distinct. To draw a cartoon girl's face, you can use the same basic steps and play around with exaggerating certain features and proportions.